And welcome back. Thursday, Cooking with Kevin. Kind of a little bit of a special this week. We're cooking two things. We're cooking a main course, and we are cooking some cupcakes, courtesy of Catherine's Plate. So, we are going to start with the roast beef, because we're going to do it on the barbecue. So, I'm going to try something a little different. We got these Clubhouse La Grills. I got maple bacon. So we're actually going to put some maple bacon on this. Yum, 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 yum. So, obviously want it all around, and you just kind of want to pat it in. Just whatever falls into the pan, we're just going to leave it in the pan.
For the gravy.
Yeah.
Make it yummy gravy. Birdie. Birdie.
So, the whole intention on the stealing my show again, eh? Okay, so the whole intention here is we're gonna put it on the barbecue, but not at high. I'm gonna put it on low, probably around 300.
Oh, it smells so good already. And it's just the seasoning.
Yeah. And we don't want a lot of water in here. It's probably right about that. And I'll check that water throughout through the cooking. Actually, just leave that there. Okay, and of course, I always want to cover it up.
Are you not putting the potatoes in it?
Hey?
Are you not putting the potatoes in there?
Yeah, I can.
Oh,
I wasn't
yeah.
gonna do it right away, but I guess, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna wait, but I guess this plan is that it's gonna take a couple hours to cook.
Yeah, the potatoes will probably too, because you're not going to make them smaller or nothing.
No, I'm putting them in whole.
Give them a wash off though, because
They're already pre-washed. I'm not gonna go through this with you about these potatoes.
I like everything washed a million times.
Yeah, well, you know how many times I cook and I don't wash things because they don't need to be washed? It's called paranoia, right? I think that should be good. You want them all cooked for extra?
Go for it. We can fry them later. Look at that. Not putting carrots?
No.
Oh, we got salad.
We got salad.
Yeah, we'll have salad with it. Mm-hmm.
Yep. Okay. Anyway, now we're going to just cover this with tin foil. Like I said, we're going to put this on low on the barbecue.
Oh, and the other day when you did something on the barbecue, people were like, we thought we'd see him out on the barbecue. So I'm going to walk you out.
Oh. You're going to have to watch out for him.
No, Brody.
So our barbecue is at 12,400, but I'm turning it down. I got a little bit of a wind.
You might have to talk a little louder. Woohoo!
Well, if you wouldn't say anything.
That ain't hot air coming out of me. That's freezing air coming around me. Thank you.
Yeah. So I turned it down to low, and I'll check it probably about every half hour, just to see where we're at. Yeah. That's it.
All right.
Okay, part 2. roast is on the barbecue. Now it's time to cook dessert. So,
Show them what papers you're using.
Mickey Mouse.
You're just using what's left.
Yeah. Kelly put it on the list to buy, and I'm like, why? Because I knew we had some. So, and we don't use. Well, lately we have used them since Valentine's Day, but we haven't used
Nope.
for quite a while. Well, since last year. But okay, so this is fairly easy. Don't follow the recipe on the box, except for the temperature of the oven.
And the cooking time.
The cooking time. The cooking time for cupcakes, 22 to 24 is about 18 to 22 minutes. And we're going to do it at 325 as if it's non-stick. If you're using the metal shiny, it's 350. You can grease them, but we always use the paper, so. Very easy. Step one, cake mix. This is white cake mix. Obviously, you don't want to use chocolate or anything because I don't think it would taste very good with what we're doing.
Well, it depends on the flavor of the next item.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are using orange crust. Oh, I can't
Crush.
I can't speak today. Orange crust. Orange crush. Now, normally a can is 355 milliliters. I could not find a single can of orange crush. You can find Pepsi, Coke, Dr. Pepper, all right? But I don't know, they weren't. So, we are going to measure. I bought these mini ones at the grocery store. They were a little pricey, but they're 222 milliliters. But we are going to measure out 355.
I haven't had orange crush in years. I don't even remember what it tastes like.
You don't even get barely 222 milliliters in these. There's 3. Half. Right about there. Okay. So, you just dump your pop in. And we not made this.
No.
No. Oh, it smells like creamsicles.
Who's doing the decorating though?
You better be.
Say hi, Brody. Say hi. Say hi,
I'd
everybody.
say about 2 minutes on medium to heat. Yeah, I didn't get the hefty duty one out today.
Not for that.
Not for cake mix. All right. Now Drink the leftover pop.
Ew. There's one of my phobias.
Which I'm not supposed to drink, but hey.
There's one of my phobias.
Drink it out of a can.
Ugh. Ugh.
Alright, so we got this handy dandy scoop. When my wife worked at Tim Hortons years ago, I acquired it.
That's like 15 years ago.
Yeah. And then we're just going to attempt to fill them halfway. Which,
One scoop for two, probably.
probably about that, yeah.
Yeah. I think so. All right, you want to bring them back when you get all that done? They don't need to watch you do each one.
No?
Nah.
Okay, we'll bring you back. Okay, so the roast beef's been on for about a half hour. We're just gonna have a quick boo here. Oh, doesn't that look yummy? Ooh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Very yummy. We're just gonna turn it down just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, so looks pretty good so far. Okay, so the muffins are done. They're cooked. You see they got a little bit of an orangish color to them. So we gotta let them cool, and when they're cool, Kelly's gonna decorate them. We'll bring you back. Okay, it is decorating time. So she's just kind of putting a little swirl on them.
Looks like a flower.
A little chintzy with the icing on that one, but you know.
There, I'm not.
Not that the icing's really good for me, but they look yummy. So our roast beef is probably almost done.
Got a hole in the bag.
And checked. Oh, wonderful. Okay, we will bring you back when I get the roast beef back in the house. Okay, it is done. Finish the barbecue. Oh, isn't that delicious? It smells yummy too. So, we're gonna do a little bit of gravy. Oh, getting too close there. The camera's steamed up. So, we're gonna do some gravy, some salad. Once we're ready, plated, bring you back with a little bit of taste test. Hey, so that's it. Roast beef's done. Gravy, potatoes, salad. I'll taste potatoes first. Oh, and with the maple bacon.
Makes it have a good flavor.
Oh, does it ever?
Must be tender. You're cutting it with a butter knife.
Yep. I let it rest for a little bit, but yeah.
All right.
Maple bacon. Americans just wouldn't understand. Anyways, so that's it. Another episode of Cooking with Kevin. You've seen the cupcakes, seen the meal. Hey, it's all pretty simple. It's not too difficult. So I took about an hour and a half on the barbecue. It wasn't fully defrosted, so it was still a little frozen in the middle. But yeah,
Bring them back when you try the cupcakes, so you can tell them what they taste like.
okay.
Yeah.
Well, we'll do that.
All
So
right.
we'll bring you back when it's time to taste test the donuts, muffins.
Cupcakes.
Hey, and dessert time. Delicious. I think I was calling them muffins all day. I guess we call them orange crush cupcakes. Some people would call it soda pop. We just call it pop. Anyways, ooh, they're falling apart.
They are moist.
Yep.
That's what Catherine said, that they were really moist.
Well, it's because you're not adding in.
Now, she made a cake, not cupcakes.
Yeah, but you're not adding in the eggs and everything, so it changes the. Anyway, people are gonna sit here and watch me eat.
It's not a two-biter.
No, I'm trying to get my mouth wrapped around. Doesn't all fall apart. It is. You know, it's not real strong. It's just got a nice hint of orange. Not a heavy orange flavor, just very nice. As you can see, it's just falling apart.
And you can do any combination of cake and ice and pop that you want.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
Catherine did root beer, but I don't
Yeah,
like
but-
root beer.
I don't think I'd want to do chocolate. I just don't know what flavor pop chocolate would be good with.
Oh.
Well, so that is it. So I'm going to share this with everybody because even though this is Cooking with Kevin, we actually filmed this on Sunday because that was Kelly's Mother's Day supper, roast beef, potatoes, and then dessert. So by the time you see it Thursday, of course, it's going to be all done and over with. So that's it. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.